Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming power and physical connection. Verify 24V main and auxiliary battery at least 75%, then dock the bridge clamps and hand-tighten bolts. Once done, use the torque wrench to set each bolt to 12 Nm so the seal holds under load. Next, activate the guidance stub and input the target vector with a +2 degrees offset. This small offset compensates for thermal drift. Make sure systems report green before you proceed to engage stabilization. You engage the gyro array and set the spin rate to 0.5 degrees per second to avoid abrupt motion. While that stabilizes, stream real-time telemetry to the nav computer at 50 Hz so it can compute microcorrections. Then ramp thrusters 1 through 3 to 20% thrust for fine attitude control. These low-power pulses let you nudge alignment without overshooting. Once the system reports nominal corrections, let the control loop run for 1 minute to verify steady state before moving to bridge activation. You initiate the bridge charge sequence, ramping from 0 to full in 30 seconds while watching internal temperature stay at or below 60 degrees Celsius. This controlled ramp avoids thermal shock. After full charge, run an integrity scan and confirm transmission loss under 0.1%. If it passes, hold the bridge for 2 minutes to validate stability. If anything reads out of range, abort immediately, retract the clamps. Reset the heading by 1 to 3 degrees, and repeat alignment. This quick reset resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.